Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing great. So, I'm here again with some new vocabulary words. So, let's get started. First word will be sycophant. Sycophant is used for the person who is a flatterer, right? So, example can be the board quickly saw through the sycophant who praised every mediocre idea the CEO proposed. Means a person is praising the CEO because he want to flatter the CEO, right? So another example can be, suppose Sakshi want to eat matar paneer and today she is saying to her mama, mama may I help you in some household chores, क्या मैं आपके घर के काम में आज कुछ मदद करा सकती हूँ? तो what her mama said, हाँ साक्षी समथिंग इज़ फिशी टुडे, आज कुछ दाल में काला है, क्या चाहिए तुमको? तो साक्षी में से, मम्मा आज मेरे लिए मटर पनीर बना दो ना, विल यू मेड मटर पनीर फॉर मी? So that means Sakshi is flattering her mom to eat matar paneer, right? So next word can be perfidious. Perfidious. It means who is a disloyal person. Perfidious will be used for the disloyal person who cannot be trusted. Example can be his perfidious act of leaking confidential documents destroyed his reputation overnight. उसके डिसलॉयल तरीके ने कॉन्फिडेंशियल जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स ऐसे थे जो शेयर नहीं करने चाहिए थे अपनी कंपनी के, वो उसने किसी को शो कर दिए या बता दिए, तो जिसकी वजह से इस एक इंसान की रेपुटेशन ख़राब हो गई. सपोज यू मे से परफीडियस पारुल. आई हैव यूज्ड वर्ड परफीडियस फॉर पारुल. पारुल एग्जाम्पल मैंने लिया जिसकी वजह से यू कैन रिकॉल दिस वर्ड फॉर लॉन्ग. ठीक है, परफीडियस पारुल. सपोज पारुल में से ऑन सैटरडे आई विल ब्रिंग पास्ता, right? And she didn't bring pasta on Saturday. So what will you say? You perfidious Parul, you promised me to bring pasta on Saturday and you didn't bring it. Why? So you may use the word perfidious for Parul because she didn't obey what she said, right? And next word will be laconic. Laconic. It means to say something in few words. Suppose if I may ask, how's the weather today? You may say it's raining outside. So in few words you describe the weather, right? And another example can be her laconic reply, just two words, conveyed more than a lengthy explanation ever could. उसने कुछ ही शब्दों में अपनी बात कह दी बिना कुछ लेंदी sentences का इस्तेमाल किए, right? And you may say laconic Lucky, because Lucky may explain his sentences and his words shortly, right? Laconic Lucky you may say. Lucky ने अपनी बात को छोटे तरीके से कहा, right? Another word is ephemeral. Ephemeral means which is for short period. You may say the weather of the today will be for short period because it's raining outside, so you may use the word ephemeral, right? Another example can be suppose Indian in India, Virat Kohli is very famous nowadays because he win the match. So the joy of victory is ephemeral, right? द जॉय ऑफ वेकेशंस इज़ एफेमरल्स. अब छुट्टियाँ लंबे समय तक तो रहने वाली नहीं है, सो द वेकेशंस आर एफेमरल, राइट? And the next word is equivocate. Equivocate, right? Repeat after me, equivocate. It means to create some confusion, right? So we can take the example of politician. So the politician continued to equivocate when pressed for a direct answer on tax reform. जब प्रेस रिपोर्टर्स ने पॉलिटिशियन से कुछ पूछा तो उन्होंने सब गोलमाल कर दिया. यू मे रिकॉल दिस वर्ड भाई, गोलमाल है भाई, सब गोलमाल है. सो equivocate, when you do equivocate activities with your parents, right? If you ask for ₹100 from your parents and you return ₹50 and have gobble up ₹50, 50 रुपये आपने लिए और 50 वापस किए, तो मम्मा ने बोला था आपको ₹20 रखने को, आपने रख लिया 50. and what you did with that, you buy chocolates for yourself, right? So मम्मा ने पूछा कहाँ गए बाकी के 30 rupees, so you may say मम्मा actually I bought some extra chocolates for me. So you will use some words which will divert the mind of your parents, so you are creating confusions and using vague examples for that. So you use equivocate, right? Equivocate, right? To create confusions you may use. So let us recall these words again. First word was sycophant. Sycophant means who is a flatterer. Second word is perfidious. Perfidious means Parul is perfidious, and sycophant Sakshi, because Sakshi flattered her moms, right? Perfidious Parul, and because she didn't bring pasta. Laconic lucky. Laconic means who describes something in few words, right? Fourth word is ephemeral. Ephemeral means which is for short. The vacations are ephemeral, right? The joy is ephemeral because खुशी भी हमेशा नहीं रहने वाली, and the sorrows are also ephemeral, right? Last word is equivocate, means when you equivocate with your parents to create confusion, क्योंकि आप गोलमाल करते हैं, राइट? सो आई वॉन्ट एवरी वन ऑफ यू ऑल टू राइट सम sentences and frame sentences in your own words so that you can learn each and every day with some new words, right? So I hope you have enjoyed the class and you will word the words in near future. Thank you and have a great day ahead. God bless all.